Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add roles in Discord. So first of all, open the server where you want to create roles and click on this arrow icon. Click on server settings, roles, create role, and enter here your role name and select a color for your role. You can add a profile photo for the role from here and click on permissions. You can customize these permissions from here and click on manage members. Click on add members to add someone to the new role, and then click on save changes. And that's how you can create a role in Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.